Getting the most of your OXO cold brewer, don't bother with the paper filter. Next, measure yourself 10 ounces of coffee beans. Then grind your 10 ounces of coffee beans on a coarse setting. Add your 10 ounces of coffee beans. Add the rest of your 10 ounces of coffee beans. This brewing container weighs 14 ounces. Put your lid on. Make sure this is up. Always put your brewer on a plate to avoid messes. Next, add water until it just hits the top of the lid. And let it sit there. Continue to add water until you see the beans just push the top of the lid up. Now wait 10 minutes for your coffee to bloom. Take the lid off. Then slowly press down with a spoon, releasing the nitrogen bubbles. You do not want to stir it. Put the lid back on. Wait overnight. Then drain your coffee. After 3 minutes of draining, I had about 3 cups. And it was still going. After 7 minutes, this carafe was full, so I turned it off and put another cup underneath, collecting a little bit more. Turned it off, and now you have cold brew. Hope you enjoyed.